Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video of playing with the blend tool. I just went out in the shop and engraved this, and it engraved really well. If I was going to do it again, I would probably have less blends, so the lines would be a little further apart on the turns. But this is the file I just engraved, and it's easy to produce, and this would add a little flair to a logo or anything you're trying to draw. And how I did this particular one, let's just zoom in here to the center of the page. I just took the polygon tool and I made it six-sided. It doesn't matter. I'm going to hold down the control button to get a perfect one. I'm going to take the shape tool. I'm going to select it all. I'm going to right click and I'm going to turn them to curves. And with a polygon tool, you can move and then everything will move. All the other points will move in them. We're going to go a little bit further this time, something like that. Then Control D and make a duplicate of that. Double click on it, get your rotation, and then just rotate it. Then take this, select it all, go up to Effects, Blend. Let's just blend like 15 this time and hit Apply. And that's what you're going to get. And then, of course, you could turn it to black. I draw everything in hairlines in red. Because of the fact that it is a little further apart, but you need to make your lines thicker. This is a hairline, so we're going to double click on that. You have to be clicked on your item. Double click on it, and let's change them to at least a half of a point so they will engrave. And that's pretty cool. I've got a little bit of sharpness right there I'd probably take out, but if you'll look at that, you could do a lot with that. You could even use a color fill tool to fill in the inside. You know, you could do a lot of things. You could actually go into some 3D by going to Docker's object properties, go to the fill, pick on that fill, go to elliptical, and then just play with your 3D and get some different effects where that would be really dark and this would be lighter. But just some different ideas. Anyway, give that a try on your laser and hope that helped a little bit. And thank you for watching.